Hi, I'm Geneva Crowley, and I want to walk you through my language learning app. So, for this app, I interviewed a few people who are living in a foreign country and trying to learn a new language to fit in and for economic purposes. And so, here's my splash screen, and we're going to go ahead and walk through the onboarding process. For this app, we can meet up with a tutor who's a native or advanced speaker, and we know that we can meet up at a time that works for us, and we're gonna swipe right again or to the left, and we can connect with the tutor who can help us with our speaking, which is very important. And so we're gonna go ahead and sign up, and maybe do this later. So we're gonna go ahead and browse through our tutors. Right now we don't really have any lessons set up. And I think something that came up was learning the regional dialect of where they are currently living in. So we're going to go ahead and allow our location and pretend that we're learning Dutch in the Netherlands. This is also important because I think a lot of people probably want to speak with someone in their own time zone. So we're going to go ahead and search. We bring up our keyboard, and for this app, you can type in your keyboard capital D, lowercase d. I know when we're using a search function, we're probably not thinking about capitalization. So we're going to select Dutch, and now we have Dutch speakers in the Netherlands. Something else that can be very important is speaking with a native speaker. I think the people that I interviewed at least are learning in an academic setting, so maybe speaking with a native speaker can help them learn those colloquial terms that they won't get in the academic setting. So let's look at more filters. We have a native speaker in the Netherlands, and we can lower our price. Everyone that I spoke with definitely want to pay or felt that they should pay their tutors a reasonable amount. They hope they get a livable wage, but we also have other financial obligations, so that price transparency is very important. So now we have someone native speaker, Netherlands, in within our price range. So let's book Enzo. And so another thing that came up with everyone that I interviewed were working adults with their own social life. And it's very important when you're learning a language to try to get in some time every day. So I did break up some smaller segments. But today we're going to go ahead and book a 60-minute session with Enzo on a Saturday, bright and early, 10 a.m. And we're going to trust this app with our credit card info. And now we have booked our appointment with Enzo. Now we can either send him a message, see if there's anything that we need to prepare, or we can go back to the home screen. So thank you so much for going through this journey with me, and let me know if there's anything that pops up in your mind that helps you when you're learning a language. You can also try the app out in the description below. Thank you.